The handheld gaming war is over, and ASUS just dropped a nuclear bomb. For the last 3 years, we've been living in a golden age of portable PCs. The Steam Deck gave us freedom, the original ROG Ally gave us power, and the Ally X gave us the battery we craved. But right now, in early 2026, something has shifted. While everyone was looking at the Nintendo Switch 2, ASUS was quietly building a device so powerful, it doesn't just play PC games, it devours them. We are talking about the ASUS ROG Ally 2. This isn't a refresh. This isn't a Mark II minor update. This is a total hardware reset. If you're holding an Ally X right now, or you're waiting for the Steam Deck 2, you need to listen very closely to what I'm about to tell you. Because the leaks coming out of the 2026 production lines suggest that your current handheld is about to become a relic of the past. Why is the ROG Ally 2 causing such a panic in the industry? It comes down to one word: performance. For the first time, we are seeing the true integration of desktop-class power in a frame that fits in your backpack. We've uncovered the internal specs, the supply chain secrets, and the partnership with Microsoft that is set to change Windows gaming forever. In this video, we are going to strip away the marketing hype and look at why the ROG Ally 2 is the most dangerous device ASUS has ever built. If you care about 120 FPS gaming on the go, or if you're tired of Windows 11 being a mess on a 7-inch screen, this video is for you. Do not look away, because the future of gaming is literally in the palm of your hand. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The original Ally used the Z1 Extreme, which was a beast for its time. But the Ally 2 is rumored to be the launch vehicle for the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. A chip built on the cutting-edge 4nm architecture that focuses not just on speed, but on efficiency intelligence. Leaks suggest an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that delivers nearly double the graphical performance of the original. Imagine playing Cyberpunk 2077 or Starfield at 1080p, high settings, and actually hitting a stable 90 frames per second without your device sounding like a jet engine. That is the promise of the Z2 Extreme. But it's not just about the raw power. It's about how that power is managed. The Ally 2 is reportedly debuting a liquid nitrogen vapor chamber. Okay, maybe not real liquid nitrogen, but a revolutionary phase change cooling system that ASUS has miniaturized from their high-end Strix laptops. The biggest complaint with handhelds has always been thermal throttling. You play for 30 minutes, the device gets hot, and your frame rate drops off a cliff. The Ally 2 is designed to run at 30 watts sustained for hours without breaking a sweat. This is the endurance king the US market has been waiting for. Now let's talk about the screen. The Steam Deck OLED set the bar, and for a year, ASUS fans have been begging for an upgrade. Well, the wait is over. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature an 8-inch tandem OLED display. For those who aren't tech nerds, tandem OLED is the same tech Apple used in the latest iPad Pros. It's twice as bright and lasts significantly longer than standard OLED. We are looking at a 144Hz refresh rate with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. You could be sitting on a sunny beach in Florida or a bright park in California, and your screen will still look like a vibrant, glowing window